Good morning. This is Rowan Cook. Listen, I'm still trying to get the hang of the Google Hangouts, and I'm not seeing an image showing up in the lower right-hand side of my screen at all. But I'm going to keep it short so we don't wind up wasting a lot of time making this morning. I'm Rowan Cook. I am an Amsoil dealer, and what I'm here to talk about this morning are this latest generation, say 2010 through 2016 Dodge Challenger vehicles. They've introduced the engines, made modifications and improvements on them. They have the 3.6, the 5.7, the 6.2, and the 6.4 engines in the latest 2016 year models of these. The Amsoil products that I work with and sell are all warranty secure. And what that means is that no matter what product line you use, they meet or exceed the specifications required by Dodge and Chrysler. Okay. Before a person does an oil change, Amsoil has the recommendation, because engines are producers of blow-by gas. They produce plaque just by the sheer nature of how they are, and that is, if you can see this, Amsoil recommends directly to put in the engine flush agent and let it run for 15 to 20 minutes, long enough for the engine to get warm and the cooling fans to come on. And after that, to drop the drain plug and change the oil filter and do a fresh fill. And if you'll begin to learn that habit, most folks don't have it. They just drain the plug and change the oil and filter and leave the plaque that the engine has built up for the next filter to catch. But if you'll adjust your thought and how you're doing things, then adding a little bit of flush agent will always keep an engine clean and help extend the life of it. But I'm going to come up now on the 3.6 and the 5.7 engines that Chrysler has, and tell you that what is recommended from Chrysler is the 5W20 engine oil. And I'm going to come over here to the specifications on our 5W20. Here we go. Our signature series 5W20 engine oil, the ALM product, is API rated SN, the latest, highest ratings. It is ISLAC GF5 and GF4. It's a ACEA A1 and AB spec. It also meets the Ford WSM2C945A and the M2C930A specification. And here is where it is that it meets the Chrysler spec. Meets Chrysler spec MS6395. Any engine in Chrysler's product line that requires that specified level of performance for engine oil, our 5W20 product meets that spec. Whenever I come down and look at our 0W20, the AZO product, that Chrysler specification is the same, the MS6395. And frankly, while in Amsoil's application guide they don't specifically say to use the 020 in the 520 application, I have for many years used the 020 application and been very happy with it. This last notation here in the 5W20 specs is that it meets and exceeds the Dexos It supersedes the 6094 Mary specification, fortified with detergents that exceed Dexos 1 sulfated ash specs. So warranty secure means using the Amsoil product will never void your warranty. The 520 meets the specifications for both the 5.7 and the 3.6 engines. Now over in the higher output motors, the bigger motors, the 6.2 and the 6.4s in the Charger and Challengers, then they're calling for, not Amsoil, but Chrysler Dodge is calling for the 0W40 engine oil. And specifically, Amsoil makes a product for these motors. Product line AZF beats Chrysler MS 12633, the MS 10725, and the MS 10850 for Chrysler requirements. Specifically, not to void your engine warranty, specifically for the Challenger high performance market. I'm Rowan Cook. I've been an Amsoil dealer since 1993. Our website is syntheticlubricants.org, and our phone is 304-228-6662. Call us if we can help you in any way. For orders over $300, we'll pay the freight to get it to you, or we'll give you 25% discount and you pay your freight for spotty orders that you might make along through the year. And well, 25% discount, isn't that worthwhile? Give me a call, 304-228-6662. Thank you very much.